Hi dear students, this is the fourth video about first chapter. It is about order of operations, as you see from the title. What is order of operation? Why it's important? Or we can ask this question because if you want to do the operations correctly, you need to know order of operations. Many of you learned before this year how to do this one. That's why I'm not going to give the details, but let's remember what it is. Here 2 times 3 plus 4, around the 3, it is the mid number. There are two operations. One of them is multiplication, the other one is addition. Which operations I'm going to do firstly? I'm going to do 2 times 3 or 3 plus 4. Order of operations decides for this one. It gives us a clue for that one. So firstly I need to do multiplication. So the 2 times 3, which is equal to 6, then plus 4 I need to tell. Then the answer is going to be 10. How it's going to be? Here it is the order of operations. When we have operation, firstly we have to solve the parentheses. I'm going to explain what does these are mean. We are going to solve the parentheses. Then we are going to continue with the exponents. So if there is parentheses, first solve parentheses, then solve exponents, then multiplication or division. They are together. Which one is firstly? It is not important. Or addition and subtraction. Which comes firstly? It is not important. So when we complete this one as the first letters PEMDAS, so it becomes PEMDAS. Parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction it's going to be. Okay, now let's solve some exercises. Here 6 plus 2 times 4. So which operation comes firstly? Addition or multiplication? Multiplication is more, before than addition. We cannot say more important. I wanted to say that word. It is not more important. It is first, the priority is multiplication. So 6 plus 2 times 4, which is equal to 6 plus 8. It's going to be, which is equal to 14. Okay, 24 divided by 8 minus 2. So here firstly we are going to do 24 divided by 8, which is equal to 3. Then 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1. It's going to be. Here these exercises are more easier than the previous are, because here the parentheses, first we are going to solve inside the parentheses, because first the parentheses is coming. 6 plus 2, it's equal to 8. So it's equal to 8 times 4, which is equal to 32. Or 24 divided by 24 divided by 6 minus 2, it's going to be equal to 6. So first I solve the 24 divided by 6, it's going to be equal to 4. And here 5 plus 3 minus 1. Firstly, I'm going to solve inside the parenthesis. 5 plus 2, it's going to be, which is equal to 7. As you see here from these exercises, firstly, we are going to apply the rules with respect to this order. Okay, let's continue with some integer problems. Here, we are going to work out with the negative numbers also. So, we have to remember the previous lessons. Negative times negative, it's going to be positive. So it's going to be equal to, first I'm going to, here there is multiplication there and addition. Which operation comes firstly? Multiplication. So minus 3 times minus 4, which is equal to 12. Then plus minus 8. Here plus and minus comes. So I'm going to solve this one. Plus and minus, it becomes minus, so 12 minus 8, it's going to be equal to 12 minus 8, it's going to be equal to 4. Here, again, which operation I'm going to do? These are all negative numbers, so there's this parenthesis for the negativeness. It is not for the operation. That's why I'm not dealing with the parenthesis. Okay, so here I'm going to do minus 7 plus minus 12 divided by minus 3. So division is coming firstly with respect to order. Minus 12 divided by minus 3, it's going to be 4. So the answer is minus 7 plus minus 12 divided by minus 3, it's going to be equal to plus 4. So minus 7, when you want to leave the parentheses, this is going to be minus 7. And plus and plus, it's going to be plus. Minus 7 plus 4. And the result, it's going to be, as you know, which one is bigger? 7 is bigger. 7 has negative sign, so the answer is going to be negative. When we have different signs, we are winning like that. Minus 7 plus 4, it's going to be equal to, you are going to subtract, it's equal to minus 3. Okay, let's continue with this exercise here. This is also minus 4 times 5, it's going to be. So the answer here, it's going to be equal to 8 minus 4 times 5, it's going to be plus minus 20. And minus 12, it's going to be. So I'm going to get rid of the parenthesis sign now, because we have only addition and subtraction. 8 plus and minus 20, minus and minus, it's going to be plus, so it's equal to plus 12. And this is the last part. 8 minus 20, it's equal to minus 12. Minus 12 plus 12, they are same but different signs. So minus 12 plus 12, it's going to be equal to 0. Here also we are going to face this kind of problems. In this kind of problems, we are going to put the brackets to the correct place. If we put the correct place, we can find the true answer. How it should be? 3 plus 6 times 8. If you know 6 times 8, it's equal to 48. And if I do not put parentheses, the answer is 3 plus 6 times 8 minus 4. 6 times 8 first we are going to do. 3 plus 48 minus 4, it should be, that's equal to 47. So this is the way to do that one. But if there is no parentheses, so it's asking if the result is 27, put the parentheses to the correct place. Okay, 3 plus, here we have 3 plus 6 times, I think, 8 minus 4, it's going to be, which is equal to 3 plus 6 times 4, then 3 plus 24, and that's equal to 27 going to be. So the correct place for the parentheses, here it is. Okay, then let's continue. Here there are this kind of exercises we may solve. These are in the class. Here the parentheses question to the correct place, we are going to put to the correct place. It's equal to 4 plus 7 times 2 plus 3. And when I do this one, 7 times 2, it's equal to 14. Okay, and 14 plus 4, it's equal to 18. Plus 3, it's going to be equal to 21. So with respect to BODMAS order, you cannot do operation. I have to find the correct place to do the operation. I think it's going to be like this. 4 plus 7, it's going to be equal to 11. 11 times 2, it's equal to 22. 4 plus 7, if I put here, 4 plus 2, it's equal to 11. 4 plus 7, it's equal to 11. Times 2, it's equal to 22. And 22 plus 3, it's going to be equal to 22 plus 3, which is equal to 25. So the correct place of the parentheses here, it should be. Again, I'm returning to this question. If you put the parentheses to this one, the operation, it will be wrong. Why? Because it's already wrong here, and you are putting the parentheses to the priority order. So it should be here with respect to priority. If the answer is not correct, it means that your parentheses cannot be here. Okay, so with respect to that one, I'm going to try to put the, I think here it's going to be, because it's going to be equal to 3 times 4 times 4, it's going to be, which is equal to 3 times 4 is 12. 12 times 4, it's equal to 48. So the correct place of the parentheses here going to be